Hello and welcome to the fourth Python coding challenge. If you've enjoyed this series so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, if you have any coding questions, you can leave a comment below and get the chance of being featured in my next Q&A video. As for today's coding challenge, the task is quite straightforward. Calculate the sum of all palindrome numbers between 1 and 10,000. But don't be fooled, this task is harder than it looks. You may have to use a few tricks along the way, so make sure to check out my tutorial videos if you need any hints. I'll leave a link to these in the top right hand corner of your screen and in the video description. In previous challenges, I always gave you the answer beforehand. This time, to make the challenge even more interesting, I will not give you any hints whatsoever, so good luck! You can check if you have the correct solution in next week's video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. However, for those of you who don't know what a palindrome number is, here's a quick explanation. A palindrome number is a number which remains the same if you reverse the order of its digits. So, for example, 1221 is a palindrome number, whereas 1222 is not. Having said that, I now wish you the best of luck in completing the challenge, and I look forward to seeing you next week for the solution. In the meantime, don't forget to check out my tutorial videos if you need any help, and until next time, happy coding!